Hello guys, welcome to another video on Excel. So in this video, we're going to cover some advanced Excel formulas. So advanced Excel formulas, for that we have this sheet here. We got employee ID, employee name, age, and so we have all the names here. Now, firstly, if we want to uh, we want to dedicate this topic on ages. Let's say I want to select, I want to remove all the duplicates of the age, like there are multiple duplicates, like here is one, 21, 21. So I want to remove all the duplicates. So here we have a list here of how many we have. So here I'm just going to name this unique. Okay. Now here, what we're going to do here is we're going to select all of these, and we're going to go to this data format, and here we can see here that it says remove duplicates. I'm just going to press on it, and you can see here that there's an option here. So here we can see that what do you want to do? Expand the selection or continue with the current selection? So I'm just going to type select continue with the current selection, because if I use the expand the selection, they'll select every single one of them. Now we don't want that. We want to select only one, the D row here. So I'm just going to select continue with the current selection and click on remove duplicates, and they're going to ask you which columns. So the unique column is the only one here. So I'm just going to click on OK. Now you can see here they say that 11 duplicate values found and removed. 9 unique values remain. Let's press on OK. Now if we go here, we can see that the rest of the duplicates, they're all removed. Now the unique ones, they just stayed by. Okay, so that is the remove duplicates. So next we're going to check out the frequency formula. To do the frequency formula, I'm just going to type in the frequency, give a bracket, and inside I'm going to select this, the array, this one. Okay, I'm going to select every single one of them. There you go. Then I'm going to select this, the unique. Okay, there you go. Now I'm going to close it, press enter. You can see that it says 3, but I want it here, right? Now you can see here that it says 3. Now if we just drop it down like this, you can see that there has been some numbers here. Now we want to adjust it, right? If we look here, um, on the far right here, the sum is 35, total 35. So we shouldn't have 35, right? You can see here there are more age numbers than the unique numbers, so that's why they're showing it 35. So I want to correct that. To do that, now what I want to do here is I'm going to select all of these. I'm going to select all of these, and I'm going to press on F2. So as soon as I press F2, you can see the formula showed up, right? The formula shows up as soon as I press F2. Now, the next step is to press the Control, Shift, and then Enter. Now you can see that it's corrected itself. And if I go to the sum here on the far right down, you can see that it says sum 20, right? It says sum 20. So that is how you correct it. That's how you use the frequency formula. Now for the next lesson, I've created another table row, another sheet for that. So here we're going to learn. You can see that there's some data here. So here we can see I want to make a drop down bar here. Okay, so to do that, just go to the data and find the data validation, click on it, and here the validation criteria, I'm going to select the list. Okay, after that we're going to use the source here. To use the source, just go to the source, whichever source you want to pick, select it. Once it's selected, just click on OK. Now you can see that there is a drop down bar here. Okay, so if I use that or use this, it just selects every single one of them. Okay, so that's how you use the drop down bar. Now to do this, so now I want to select one of these that come up here. Okay, so I'm going to use the index formula and type in index. Type in index. Inside, I'm going to select the array. Now for the array, I'm going to select every single one of these. Okay, there you go. Now give a comma. After the comma, we're going to select um, the row number. Okay, so the row number I'm going to use, this one is 2, and I'm going to also use the 2. All right, now I'm just gonna close the bracket here. There you go. So that's how it's done. This is how you do the index. Okay, so next we're going to check out the match formula. Okay, so the match formula, before doing that, I'm going to clear all the drop downs and other. So I'm going to go to the data validation, and here you have an option called clear all. If I click on it, every single one of them will be cleared. So I'm just going to clear them all. Okay, there you go. So now it's all cleared. Okay, so here what I'm going to do here is just type in okay, so 9 a.m. and here I'm going to type in the match. Inside I'm going to select all of these, the ones that I want to match. Okay, and then comma. Okay, first I'm going to select not this one, I'm going to select this one. Okay, and then comma. I'm going to select every single one of these. There you go. And for an exact match, I'm going to apply 0. Close the bracket. There you go. Now you can see that the answer is 3, right? So at 9 a.m., 3. Okay. So that's how you use the match option.